Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope for best of your health and iman. Today's topic is growth in bacteria. Today we are going to discuss about the growth in bacteria. How do bacterial cells grow? We have studied about the life cycle, how they reproduce and these things, their structure. And now today we're going to discuss in detail how the bacterial cell grow. Growth. What is growth? First of all, in bacterial cells, growth doesn't mean just increase in the size. It does not mean just increase in the size or mass. Growth of bacterial cell is the changes in the full population. Total population increase in the total population is known as the growth in bacterial cells. And they grow very rapidly, and their case is that just in they increases their surface area. When many of the hundreds or thousands of bacterial cells reproduce and they grow, they produces large surface area, and in this case after growth, because of the large surface area, they have increased their food intake. Their food intake become increased, and with the process of diffusion and active transport, they does not need any specialized process to increase their food intake. So that's why they just uses the diffusion and the active transport. Bacterial cells grow very rapidly. When they grow, they produce a large surface area because a large number of bacterial cells are produced. When the surface area is increased, their food intake is increased, and food intake become very easy because they just can intake their food, the process of diffusion and active transport. They do not need a specialized structure to increase their food intake. There are some factors, environmental factors, which are temperature, pH, nutrient availability and ion concentrations, which affect the growth of the bacterial population. And in ideal condition, when they have ideal temperature, ideal pH, ideal nutrients availability and ideal ion concentration, 20 minutes, in 20 minutes their growth becomes very much increased. So they just have 20 minutes if they have ideal conditions for their growth. And each division, when the division takes place, each division increase in their growth becomes double. So when their increase in the division becomes double, this is known as exponential growth. The exponential growth, because increase in the division is double. Like this, exponential growth means if in one phase is two, if there is in one phase production of two bacterial cells, in second phase they're gonna have 4, in third phase they're gonna have 2, 4, and then 4 to 16. So like this exponential, 2 raised to power 2 is equal 4, 4 raised to power 2 is equal 16, like this, and 16 raised to power 2, like this. So this is the exponential growth means. Exponential growth means that each phase have the double increase in their production of the bacterial cells. Next is the time interval. Time interval is that time, they have two phases. One period in which the growth is increased exponentially. This is known as exponential growth. And the second is the time interval. This is known as the generation time, in which they have one time interval for their growth. Phases of growth interval. Bacterial growth, phases of bacterial growth. Here we have how the bacterial cells grow. They have 4 phases for their growth. One is lag phase, second one is log phase, third is stationary phase, and the fourth one is death phase. Okay, lag phase. I'm gonna give you just 1 point for each of them to remember easily. You can learn it easily. Lag phase is that phase in which the growth is 0, is like rest phase. Log phase is that in which the growth is at its rapid rate, its peak is in log phase. And in stationary phase, the growth slows down, not 0, is just slows down because of some competition of the resources and nutrients availability. And the last one is the death phase, which is decline phase, when the bacterial cells gonna starting dying. Here we have the detail of growth phases. The first one is the lag phase. Lag phase, as I have told you earlier, is that phase in which the growth rate is zero. No growth, zero. Because in this phase, just bacterial cells try to adapt themselves according to the environmental condition. They just adopt some characteristics to be fit in the new environment. So this is the lag phase. Second phase is the log phase. Log phase is that phase in which the rapid growth takes place. Bacterial cells count increases rapidly, exponentially. They increases in large numbers. Third one is the stationary phase. Stationary phase is that phase in which growth is slows down. Why growth is slows down? Growth is slows down because of the competition of the nutrition resources, because the now large number of bacterial cells have been produced, so they are now competing with each other for resources, for nutrition. So in this phase, stationary phase, they compete with each other for the nutrition, so their growth rate is slows down, and if growth rate is slows down, production of new cells stops. Now there will be no production of the new cells, and number of the living cells becomes constant, because living cells is not going to die, not going to increase. They become constant, but the new production of the cells is totally stopped, and no new cells are produced. The last phase and the death phase is the decline phase. Decline phase is in which the decline in the viable cells. Viable cells means the living cells. Viable means living cells, which can survive easily. So this is the viable living cells, and this phase is also known as decline phase, because now the exhaustion of nutrients, a large number of bacterial cells have already been produced. Now nutrients are getting scarce, getting unavailable. So that's why an accumulation of toxic waste products and some products which are toxic products, toxic substances. That's why now the bacterial cells gonna die. Here is the description of the growth phases of the bacterial cell. This is just simple graph to show you how the bacterial cell growth is vary with its time range. Here is the number of the growth, how the exponential change, or how this number of bacterial cells increases or decreases, and here is the time. First phase is lag phase, we have already discussed, is that phase in which there is no growth, so the graph is flat at that place. Then the increase in the growth bacterial cells it's rapidly increase and sharp increase in the bacterial cell in the log phase. Then again bacterial growth is slows down, is not now flat, is now just slows down, slowly decrease in the in stationary phase. The last phase is the death phase or the decline phase, in which the growth is is going towards the death. So it was all about the growth phase. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.